mask itself, you draw it programmatically, and you just...
Well, yeah, do you want a graphic as a mask?
That's what I was thinking.
That's actually what we could do is...
That would actually work.
Like a black PNG sort of full, like that is the mask.
Yeah, but that's soft edge and all that.
And then we have the square things that we put under the mask.
Yeah, we can do that.
So it's 2 layers, because I haven't got Photoshop here either, so yeah, if you provide the two images, I can...
Is that harder, easier than drawing the mask programmatically and we tell you the border radius?
Yeah, because, you know, who knows, it's going to do exactly the way Photoshop
If it's going to alias exactly the same as what our... That was my concern, alias...
Well, there is a way that you can tweak it.
Yeah.
I just want to know what's easier for the developer because we can
tweak 2 images and then you can change them in the future for a different vehicle and whatever you want to do.
So actually, yeah, we'll give you that and then we'll give you just a bright red so you see it in the mask.
Yep.
Okay.
Black, I'll be one.
Yeah. That might be a good question. Because if you have a character limit,
it's not a lot more than that. If it's going to fit them forward,
then listen forward, yeah. See, I didn't know if they could just go, you know, like 2 paragraphs of, hey, everybody, you know, blah, 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 blah.
Let's make it 140 characters. It's proven itself useful.
Because then there's an easy way to retweet that or something if you need.
Actually, yes.
Exactly.
Well, it should be 140 characters without the URL.
Let's see what this is.
We need the subject as well, you know, if it was generating a tweet or something.
So you were saying about the numbers?
Numbers mean that people are coming, they're coming, or people that are simply have proceeded at an invitation or something.
No, the people that are coming.
They are coming.
The first one is your friends, the second one is that are coming. So you have like 4 friends of 70 attendees.
So that's 75. That could be long. 140 will go 6 lines.
Yeah, and we need, if you want to tweet it, it should be the event name
as
well. The URL, which could be a short URL.
A single tag, probably we're going to push.
Oh, we're going to actually use tags, not, well.
I think we're going to have a default tag that we're going to, if we were going to do an auto-tweety thing, incorporate a particular one so then they would all get tagged against the same event somehow.
I thought we were going to do a hashtag for each event. Like instead of one for everything, because then there's no point to search for it because you're just gonna get like spam.
An event has
I think each event has its own hashtag, so we include the title, a short description, so we have to use less than 140 characters.
Yeah.
I mean, we have to use
we have to use enough less because we have to accommodate for how long the title could be.
And then what I'm going to add
the URL will most likely be, I mean, we can find something that's not Wikimedia.
Because the hashtag, what's the hashtag going to be?
Yeah, now it's easy to make, it's very easy to make short URLs from
we just do like, a two character domain is hard to find, but like maybe 3 characters .ly or something that you don't use.
I suspect if we're going to have some kind of tweeting ability, put it like something in the dialog box, and maybe it's going to be truncated at that point, and then
we can use a short URL service as well.
Yeah.
Maybe we could use Cloud App.
I guess it would be useful.
And what would you go to?
See, that's the thing. If you see, do the tags need? I mean, I guess they do, but do tags need to be linkable?
Yeah, and what do they show if you click on?
Like if I hit birthday, it'll go back to browse and do a search on that tag. But it's like, would I ever need? If I'm going to a birthday, I don't need to.
No, but not for birthday, because that's really particular. But if you want to see concerts in your area, that's the only way to go.
Just want to do that.
Hide one of those. What if they're a bit bigger with like little X on them, and you could just go no, or how are you?
Well, this view right here. This is just the if I click on an event, this is the view. Yeah. This isn't the edit.
Oh, okay, sure.
Now the edit is going to be very similar.
Yeah.
The create or the edit. Yeah, but this is just like if I browse and I see an event and I click on it. Yeah, I was thinking, but yeah, no one's going to type 4 paragraph. You know what I mean?
No, we'll make it as big as the text.
Because that's like 80 characters.
Because it's like you go and read a news story. Here's the thing. Here's the thing. It might be this big. That's not the end of the world. It's silly to be scared of using some screen space when we can scroll.
Yeah. So it goes up.
If we're scared.
Yeah.
Scrolling's fine. A little bit of scroll's good.
So it goes up and then you can view the attendees.
Oh, good.
And
it's
then
going to have those nice little bits of that, yeah.
And then the posts.
Sure.
Because they have posts. And then I was going to turn that into a share button. Sometimes you can say invite your friends.
Sure. Sure.
You know what I mean? And I think that's it.
Okay, that's cool.
So then once I knock this out, I can copy it. I can do the create that just has blank, blank. You know what I mean?
Well, the tag thing is going to be a bit different.
The tag thing's going to be different. Yeah.
The tag actually takes you. You can't submit without submitting a tag.
Yeah.
But we suggest the first tag.
Yeah.
But not in a live thing, but actually a sub view that has all the icons and all like
Okay.
and then once you click on it, you get back to the main view
So
and you have the tag in a like like grayed out
Can't edit
in
it.
a box,
Or you.
and you can't delete further, and then you have the cursor to tabulate next, but you can't delete the first tag.
So you got to have at least one, and so when you edit, that's the first thing, like a modal thing, pick a tag, first thing you do.
Actually, you might have to edit the tag,
Yeah, you want to alter the first
because if you missed it, or if you're like, I don't want this tag, I want like, we'll come up with something.
You know what?
I reckon that's the. They could have a little.
If you delete it, can you do it? If you delete the first tag, that you jump back to the list view.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see about that. Maybe we can make it
Yeah, no, I'm
easier.
sure we could do something. It could be that they will have a little go away box on them, like if the runner had this nice cutesy box go away, but the last one doesn't, and so if you try to touch that, then it comes back up with a picker, and you have to pick a different one. And so they all have little go away boxes except the first one, or if it's the last one, no, nothing has it.
So you want to do the tags as in you type, and once you hit the comma, it turns into a tag.
That would be good. I don't know if we can
I
do
don't-
that. Like in mail, like.
I think, yeah, but you
Wait,
use a lot of
wait,
space
wait.
with that.
What are y'all talking about?
No, I think it's going to go off to a screen and you pick one and it adds it to the list.
Adds it to the
And
list.
if you, but I'm not quite sure, see having them as a button, it would probably make more sense if there was sort of like one of those grey type buttons like they have in Safari, and it's when it's editing, then you can, it sort of looks like you could hide it, like you're hiding a tab,
You could.
you know, and so it's more of a, this sort of thing, so it's when there's an X hidden.
Yeah.
And
You
it's-
mean when you're editing?
Yeah, when you're editing it.
Yeah, exactly.
And then it makes sort of sense to be like a button, because it's sort of hard to actually lose that one.
Well, the only thing we were thinking button was, yeah, like he was saying, like if you search and you get concerts and you have the tags, I mean, you could just say, well, now just find, it's concert, find concerts.
It is useful, because
Yeah.
it's the only way to browse
Yeah,
without entering a search term.
Yeah.
We need that.
Cool. I'll let you carry on, but it's basically a table with groups and the grain.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Nothing too crazy more than
yeah,
that.
so they're different size boxes, but that's cool.
Okay, so what I'll do, I'll knock this out, and then I'll knock out the create state, and then we can come together and see.
Yep, and if you can do that mask and the border.
Exactly. Well, yeah. Well, I want you to see it and proof it and say, yes, I can do that, yes, I can do that, and then I'll cut everything up and send it to you.
It's all good.
Cool, man. Thank you.